If you're experiencing a server timeout error in Cyberpunk 2077, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Cyberpunk 2077 website or social media channels to see if there are any ongoing server issues or maintenance. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Cyberpunk 2077 completely and restart it. This can help reset any temporary connection issues that may be causing the server timeout error. Step 3. Restart your internet connection. Unplug your modem and router, wait for about 30 seconds, then plug them back in. This can refresh your internet connection and resolve any connectivity issues. Step 4. Check your network settings. Ensure that your firewall or antivirus software is not blocking Cyberpunk 2077. You may need to add the game to the exceptions list or temporarily disable the firewall to see if it resolves the issue. Step 5. Update your gaming system. Make sure that both Cyberpunk 2077 and your gaming platform PC console are updated to the latest version. Updates often include fixes for connectivity issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the server timeout error and get back to playing Cyberpunk 2077. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.